Hi, my name's John Murray. I'm the Executive Director of the Foundation of the Upper Midwest chapter of NATAS. NATAS is the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. Our chapter is responsible for the Emmy Awards. Our foundation is responsible for our student awards and scholarships. Now, you can find all of this information on our website at midwestemmys.org. That's what I have up on our screen right now. You can see our student section. We have the Student Production Awards. Those are Crystal Pillar Awards for video entries. And then we have our scholarships, classroom grants, and AV All-Stars. You can get to that page right here. If you look, we have scholarships, classroom grants, AV All-Stars. These links will just take you right to where you need to go. We will just start here with scholarships. Now, scholarships are open to high school and college students in the Upper Midwest Emmy region. You must work or go to school in our region only. The application deadline is February 6th. We have two types of scholarships. High school scholarships are open to high school seniors who have been accepted into a program for next year, a media program. So you must be enrolled or accepted into a school with the intention of studying media production of some type. So those are for the high school scholarships, the President's Scholarship, and then the Welch Family Foundation Scholarship. The college scholarships, we have several. We have the Bob Franson Leadership Scholarship, the Ulysses Carlini Media Scholarship, the Berlin Family Scholarship, and the Nancy Nelson and Bill Carlson Scholarship. Now, with any of these scholarships, like in high school, you can apply for one, but you'll automatically be eligible for the other. You don't need to fill out multiple applications. We will pool all of the candidates. Same thing here in the college. We really want you to try to apply for the scholarship that best appeals to you. They all have a couple little different quirks about them. They're all media related, but we want to know which one really appeals to you. When we select scholarships, the families who look at these scholarships really want to see the applicants that are primarily interested in their scholarship first. We'll just start with the high school. Apply now, click this, and it will take you to the President's Scholarship. It will have a little bit of a description. It will have who the scholarships are open to and what you need for consideration for the scholarships. Any questions, contact me anytime at info@midwestemmys.org. The application form, first of all, read the honor code. It's just making sure that you are doing everything properly, everything is accurate, and you stand by the information that you're submitting. The application is pretty simple. The applicant name, phone number, their best home email address. For the applicants, we really want your personal email address. It's the best way to contact you. Home address, city, state, zip code. Attach a photo of yourself. Please make it a nice, high-quality photo that you send to us. And you can use PNG, but you can also use JPEG. The current school that you are in, attach a logo of that school. Again, we like a transparent PNG logo if possible. The school address, the school city, the school state, and the school zip code. Please list your GPA, your graduation date coming this year, your major field of study that you're looking to get into. And if you have a web link, a demo, something on YouTube, anything, please feel free to add that. Attach a school transcript. It does not have to be an official transcript. It can be an unofficial, it can be a copy, so the committee can take a look at your classes, your GPA. For high school students, if you have a resume, great. By all means, please attach the file of your resume. There's also a text line in here. Please describe any internships, experience related to TV, media, or any extracurricular activities as well. You know, just anywhere where you've gotten your hands dirty doing media production. The scholarship committee really likes to hear those types of things that you've done. Extracurricular activities, that also goes to say something about your character and your involvement in school. Also, what you've done in the community. Any sort of volunteerism, please let us know what you're doing in there. And then we do expect letters of recommendations from teachers. They will have to email those to us directly, but you can list the people who will be sending letters of recommendation. That way we can be on the lookout for those. We do have a foundation scholarship essay question. It's a limit of 450 words, but just do that in a Word document and go ahead and attach that. Once you have all of that stuff, you can go ahead and click send. Same thing, with the college scholarships, very similar to the high school one. It's, applicant name, phone number, your best personal email. Don't use your school email. We want your personal email, home address, etc. Again, high quality photo of yourself, your current school name, transparent school logo, the school address, school city, state, zip, your GPA, graduation date, your major, field of study, and if you have a web link to a demo reel, that is great. We still need your transcript, attach your resume. Same thing, list your internships or anything TV media related, your extracurricular activities and or community service experience. List letters of recommendation and answer the scholarship essay question. Once you have done all that, attached all the files, you can click send and you will be off and running.